Lace is definitely HD, y'all. Like, please help me find the lace. Help me find it. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kylie, and we back with another video. And today's video will be sponsored by Elfin hair. As y'all can see, they sent me this unit, 13 by 6, 28 inches, giving volume, giving body. It's 250% density. I went ahead and plucked and bleached the knots. I haven't did a wig install in a little minute, y'all, so I've been dreading doing this, but it's gonna turn out cute. It always do. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Finna get into the video. Y'all already know I don't know how to scalp braids, so we're gonna do 2 braids as usual and throw our wig cap on. They sent me a lace band, HD wig cap, edge brush, some cute lashes, y'all. These cute. It's 100% human virgin hair. I can definitely tell the quality of the hair is very good, y'all. Lace is giving HD, so I'm really excited for this install. So I'm gonna put up my 2 braids and we're gonna get into it. So y'all already know you're gonna lay your edges down real good. Okay, y'all, so this how it's looking after I cut the ear tabs. And we're finna get ready to glue it down. Alright y'all, so I'm finished with the hair. As y'all can see, this is my first time doing a side part, y'all, so I did struggle with it, you know. This is my first time doing a side part. So overall, the hair is super soft, y'all. This is body wave. Look how straight it got. Like, it's real soft, really good quality hair. Lace is definitely HD, y'all. Like, please help me find the lace. Help me find it. Y'all can't find it. But overall, I get this hair a 10 out of 10. Honestly, this is some really good hair. 28 inches giving 30. Yeah, thank you so much to Elfin Hair for sponsoring today's video. And once again, everything will be linked down below. The hair in this video, as well as some other choices. Make sure y'all use my code. And without further ado, I will catch y'all in the next video.